case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1983 Supreme Court case of Michigan v. Long, the court grappled with the question of whether police officers could conduct limited searches for weapons during routine traffic stops if they had reasonable suspicion that an individual was dangerous and potentially armed. The case centered around David Long, who was stopped by deputies Howell and Lewis after they observed him driving erratically and speeding. Long's car eventually ended up in a shallow ditch on a side road where the deputies approached him. Long appeared to be under the influence and initially failed to comply with the officers' requests for his license and registration, which raised their suspicion that he might be armed. Upon approaching the open car door, the officers noticed a large hunting knife on the driver's side floorboard, prompting them to conduct a pat-down search of Long. The search did not reveal any weapons, but a subsequent search of the car's passenger compartment and trunk led to the discovery of marijuana. Long argued that the search violated his Fourth Amendment rights, but the Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the officer's search was reasonable and did not infringe on his rights. The court maintained that the police had conducted a valid search of the car during the traffic stop, allowing the marijuana found in the trunk to be used as admissible evidence. The case was then sent back to the lower courts to determine the lawfulness of the trunk search under Opperman or other relevant decisions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.